Welcome to 4th Industrial Avenue, your gateway to tomorrow's tech today. Are you ready to explore the future? Today we're talking about golden technology, shaping the future of electronics. Gold, a precious metal often associated with opulence and affluence, is not just a symbol of wealth. It holds a pivotal role in the technology that fuels our contemporary world. From your smartphone to high-end aerospace technology, gold's presence is more pervasive than you may think. Now, you may wonder what makes gold so special. Well, it's down to its unique properties. Gold is an excellent conductor of electricity, it's highly resistant to corrosion, and it's incredibly durable. These characteristics are absolutely essential in the creation of reliable, long-lasting electronic components. So, let's delve deeper and explore how this lustrous metal is shaping the future of electronics. Gold's unique properties make it an invaluable material in the production of high-tech devices. It's an excellent conductor of electricity, highly resistant to corrosion, and incredibly durable. One of the primary uses of gold in electronics is in connectors and contacts. This precious metal, known for its luster and value, plays a key role in the devices we use every day. From smartphones to laptops, gold is a star player in ensuring our gadgets perform at their peak. Imagine the intricate workings of your smartphone. Within its compact structure, numerous gold-plated connectors are hard at work. These tiny powerhouses facilitate the transfer of data and power between various components. They're the reason your phone charges promptly, connects seamlessly to your headphones, or syncs effortlessly with your laptop. In essence, they're the unsung heroes keeping your device alive and kicking. The gold coating on these connectors is not just for show. It serves a critical purpose. Gold is an excellent conductor of electricity, ensuring a consistent and reliable connection. It reduces the risk of data loss and boosts the overall performance of the device. But what if these connectors weren't gold-plated? Without gold, these connections would be less reliable and more prone to failure. A minor glitch could lead to data loss or device malfunction. The gold coating, in essence, acts as a shield, protecting your device from such mishaps. So the next time you use your smartphone or laptop, remember, it's not just silicon and software at work, it's also the golden touch, ensuring your device's reliability, performance, and longevity. Without gold, these connections would be less reliable and more prone to failure. Gold is also used in high-end audio and video cables. Indeed, its role in this realm is nothing short of game-changing. Picture this: you're all set for a movie night. The popcorn is ready, the lights are dimmed, but the sound quality is subpar, and the picture is fuzzy. Frustrating, isn't it? This is where gold comes into play. Gold plating on the connectors of these cables is a small tweak with a big impact. It dramatically reduces signal loss and interference. This means that the audio and video signals travel from your device to your screen or speaker with minimal disruption. The result? Clearer sound, sharper picture, and an all-around enhanced viewing or listening experience. But why gold? Well, gold doesn't easily corrode or tarnish, maintaining its superior conductivity over time. That's why gold is the go-to choice for high-end, premium HDMI cables and audio jacks. This is why you might notice that premium HDMI cables and audio jacks often feature gold connectors. Beyond connectors, gold is used in the production of microchips and processors. These tiny, intricate components are essentially the brains behind our electronic devices. They perform millions of calculations per second, and the gold within them plays a significant role in ensuring this process is efficient and speedy. Now you might be wondering, how does gold fit into the picture? Here's the fascinating part. Microchips and processors are packed with an intricate network of electronic circuits. These circuits need to transmit electrical signals rapidly and accurately to function correctly, and that's where gold comes in. These circuits are often made with tiny wires of gold. Gold's excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion make it the perfect material for this job. The gold wires help to transmit signals between different parts of the chip rapidly and without any loss of data. This efficient transmission is crucial to the speed and reliability of our gadgets. Think about when you're using your computer or smartphone. The speedy response you get when you click on an app or type on the keyboard, that's the processor at work using gold wires to transmit signals and perform calculations at breakneck speed. In addition, the durability of gold means these components can withstand the intense workloads and high temperatures often found inside electronic devices. This ensures your devices not only work quickly, but also last longer. So, the next time you're admiring the sleek design of your latest gadget, remember it's not just the exterior that's gold. Inside, gold wires within these chips help to transmit signals rapidly and accurately, ensuring the efficiency and speed of your devices. Thanks for riding along with us on 4th Industrial Avenue. Today we've journeyed through the golden threads of technology, from connectors in our gadgets to the high-end cables, even touching on the microchips and processors that power our digital lives. Gold, with its unique properties, truly shapes the future of electronics. Fancy joining us on more tech explorations? Subscribe and hit the bell and you won't miss a beat. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of tech.